In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Brother DCP-L2640DW printer. Go to the front panel of the printer, open the front portion, so you can just pull it out. Then remove the ink toner, just take it outside. Next thing is to release the ink toner. There is a green button on this side. Press it and take your ink toner out. Now take your new ink toner and we have to place it in this socket. So place it here like this and press down. Chip and the logo should be facing up. Now just reinstall it. So place it at an angle facing down, push it in and close the front door. Within few seconds your printer is ready and we can start using it. So this way we can easily replace the ink toner of the printer. Thanks for watching.